welcome back to my channel. My name is Peace, and if today is your first time here, benvenuto, benvenue, you're very welcome. And if today is not your first time here, you're a true one, and thank you for always stopping by to check my videos out. Well, today I am going to be doing a glossy lid and a glossy lips, and why I chose to do this tutorials today was because I was gifted 3 beautiful, very beautiful lip glosses, and I was like, what better way to try them out if not doing a makeup tutorial with them. Quick disclaimer, I'm no makeup artist, no beauty guru, no anything. I'm just a makeup beginner who derives joy and enjoys trying out makeups and trying out different makeup skills. So without wasting much of your time, as you can see, I already did my eyebrows. I already went ahead to do my lid. I had to prime my lid, and I used my Elegant to do that. And what I'm going to do next, I think we're going to start from the eye. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take oh, isn't this beautiful? I got this off Amazon, very cheap, and it works like magic. It's very nice. And I'm going to take a soft brown color, and I'm going to go all over my lid. So I'm going to go with my Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to take henna, and I'm going to use that and begin to sweep that all over my eye gently. So I wanted this to be a talk through tutorial because I wanted to just talk to you guys and know how you guys are doing and know what you guys are up to. So what are you guys doing? Lately I have been really busy with school. My exams are coming up in less than 2 months, and I have lots of things to study, and believe me, I am so far behind. I'm just trying to just cope through the grace of God. And what else? I was actually sick. I was sick for a week. I couldn't stand up, I couldn't walk, nothing. I don't know if you guys have ever found yourself in such a situation. I woke up one morning and I was trying to go to the bathroom, and I fell. Okay, like it was as if I had this pain that was coming from my waist down to my legs. I took every painkiller I was asked to take and nothing seemed to work, and I didn't know why. Anyway guys, so I'm trying to blend this out and taking it out just like this. Why I actually decided to go with this soft brown is basically because I have hooded eyes, and I think by now you guys already know I have hooded eyes. It's not a new thing, and I feel like whenever I use my concealer and I go over my lid, it basically it makes my hooded eye look better, or it lessens the oh my god, I'm about to speak a very bullshit English right now. I was about to say it lessens the hoodness it lessens the hoodness of my eye. That's wrong, guys. Don't say that. Don't say that, please. Don't say that. Don't say that. It's wrong. I don't know what to say, but it makes it look more better. It makes it look more walkable. And I'm going to go in with I don't know if I should go with suede or cocoa. Kind of like confused, but you know what? I'm going to go in with cocoa. And if I don't really like the way cocoa looks, if it's too warm, then I'm going to just go in with suede to blend it out properly. So I'm going to go back with that same brush and start basically here. This is for those who have hooded eyes. If you don't have hooded eyes, then just go over it on your crease. That's it. Okay guys. So there is actually something I wanted to talk about. Yes, I've got a lot of things to talk about today. You guys probably be like, oh, peace. Can you please just do your makeup and stop talking? I know, but there is something I want to talk about. I really have to talk about it today. So guys, what I want to talk about is, why do we people really give a shit about what others have to say about them? Like, of what importance is it to you to always, belittle yourself and always feel like you have to always explain to others, you have to always justify your actions to other people who, sincerely enough, or funny enough rather, don't even care about what you have to tell them. Like, people are always going to talk trash about you, whether you like it or not. Because people just derive pleasure in talking. So if they're not talking about you, they're talking about someone else. And be careful about that person that comes and, you know, gossip other people to you, because believe me, if they can say those things to you, most definitely they're also going to talk about you to someone else. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is to use my eyeliner and create a wing. I'm not really good in this, but I'm just gonna try it as much as I can. And I think I'm gonna have this close so I can see what I'm doing basically. So I find it difficult to speak while doing this. I don't know why. Guys, okay, I think that I can't even lie. Recently, I've been watching a lot of tutorials and learning a lot of things. You know when they say practice make perfect, right? Practice does make perfect. I've been learning a lot of new things that I've been finding difficult to do for years. I've been learning how to do them, and I have to be honest with you all. I think the best place to learn things, if you really can do things, is to go to a smaller YouTuber's channel. Like, believe me, it sounds crazy. You feel like the big YouTubers are really professional. Yes, they are professional, but they don't take time to explain things as how a small YouTuber is going to take a time to explain things to you. Like, I find it difficult to put the lashes on, and then I actually was able to stumble on this YouTuber. Her name is I think it's Sean's World, and she taught me how to put lashes, and guys, you will not believe it. I tried it out, it worked out for me. It wasn't 100% perfect, but it was it was like there was actually a huge improvement based on how my lashes were being applied before. So I pray I'm able to do the same thing today. I really pray and hope so. Okay guys, so I'm going to take my liner down to the end. Guys, when I do liner, I'm always extra careful, because when I had to do a very tiny line here, because I have hooded eyes, so that it's able to, so you can see it, and then maybe do a very long cat eye wing. Alright guys, so I have actually done it. I'm going to take it out and make it come a little bit out. Just gonna bring it out right here. That's in my inner tear, that side. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna stop there. I make the most funny face when I do this. And yeah, I'm just gonna stop there. I don't want to ruin it. I feel like I already made a teeny bit mistake. And I am going to go with this eye pencil. This is black, it's way too black. And I'm going to put that in my waterline, just slightly. Okay, and that is done. I actually added it just slightly, guys. And I'm going to go back with the dark, no, what was it, cocoa that we used earlier. I'm going to use this brush because I feel like it's just so effing precise. I'm going to use that and go and smoothing out the eyeliner I used. Not eyeliner. I'm smoothing out the, what do you call it? What's the name? The eye pencil. Guys, do any of you know how to grow a lip? Not lip. To grow the natural lashes. Because mine is so short, like really short, and I don't like them. I always envy people that have long lashes, because then they don't need to go with eyelashes, and I don't really like falsies, so if I could just have mine grow naturally, I would be so happy. So guys, as I was saying, just like I said earlier, that learning from a small YouTuber is actually more effective. I'm not talking about myself, like I consider myself to be a makeup beginner. I'm not saying come and learn from me, no. But there are actually few YouTubers that I know. When I talk about YouTubers, I mean the small YouTubers that are fantastic. And if you guys don't mind, or if you guys want, I could do a shout out, a small YouTuber shout out, or you guys let me know if you're interested, and I'm gonna show you guys like some YouTubers that really are fantastic in what they do. And believe me, like there is nothing you won't find there. Like I wasn't good in doing my eyeliner, and guys, believe me, I learned from a small YouTuber. This is something I've been trying to learn all these years from a big YouTuber, and I was not able to learn it. Not because they don't explain well, but I think like the fact is, like the videos are shorter, and it's not really explanatory like the way I want it to be. Like when I tell you I don't know how to do something, I need you to make it as beginner friendly as possible. And most time the fact is they use products that maybe are way much like are not affordable for someone on an average class, and sometimes you copy and you feel like you're not getting the same result, and it's actually depressing. So when you go for someone that is actually has a smaller channel and she has less people to talk to, you find out that most of the products she's going to recommend that you use are things that you can afford, are things that is actually very easy for you to apply. It gives you tips you could use, and then if you don't understand, you could send a message, you could comment and tell her, okay, I didn't understand this and this and this and this. Because she has less people to respond to, it's easier for her to see your messages, it's easier for her to respond and give you other tips to help you, help you out. But when it's like, if I was to write in Nikki's tutorial, you understand, if I was to write Nikki and I was to tell Nikki, okay Nikki, you did this eye look, I can't really get it. There is actually a very slim and tiny possibility that Nikki is going to see my comments. That is just the way it is. I'm gonna fill in the edges of my lips. Okay. And in the center of my lips, I'm going to first of all go in with okay guys, with the red lip gloss. There's actually a look I was going for, so I'm gonna do a mix and just go to the red lip gloss initially, just a little bit. I'm gonna go a little bit of that.
they make a wire, but you only wine for the dough.
Mix monster.